Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to add network icon in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to add network icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, right click. After click on personalize. After left panel here, click on themes and here option desktop icon settings. So click it. And here option network. So if you want to add network icon, so check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to add network icon on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.